Welcome. We've just been here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I have such a wonderful woman here that's going to talk to her about your company and what you learned today.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Evangelia Evdaimon. I work for MethodSense. I'm the VP of Quality there, and I'm a Vistage member. And I came today to a session to listen to Dale, which was really incredible. I learned so much about how to deal with active listening and how to follow techniques for creating systems, and so much more that I don't even know where to start. It was amazing.
Well, thank you for your joy. You were such a really part of the activity that was going on and sharing. I just want you to know that Vistage is the most important decision an executive can make to improve their lives, both personally and as a business. It's been my experience as an 8-year chair and a 500-time speaker that it changes people's lives for the better, both personally and at work. So I encourage you to find a Vistage group. My name is Dale Richards. I have a company that does certified valuations and turnarounds, and I've had the opportunity to be part of the Vistage network now for about 11 years. It's awesome. Please find a Vistage group and join.